Hello everyone. Before I start the pitch, I have a question. Other than ice cream, what are the reasons for you to decide to go to an ice cream shop? What would you expect them to have? Keep the answers in your mind as I proceed to start the pitch. Let's talk about them and the services they provide. Compared to other ice cream shops, Cream Factory has a surprising interior. They provide a very comfortable place for people to chill, relax, and enjoy their food there. Other than that, they also serve handcrafted gelato, pancake waffles, Italian coffee, and a variety of milkshakes. After a conversation with the owner, we understand that their demand from us is how to spread word of mouth between students, how to have more exposure in SS15, how to increase the number of followers on Instagram, and lastly, how to increase the numbers of consumers. Now we will move on to the problem statement, issues they face, and tiny details that we can help them to improve. Firstly, the current menu is confusing to read, and the layout is a bit difficult for customers to navigate around. Secondly, the staircase is fancy and interesting, but the main entrance is not attractive and the whole vibe is dark. Lastly, the cement chair has an awkward height. You can tell by the picture. If you compare the man to his friend, the level is different. These are the problem statements. We listed it out so it's easy for you guys to see and understand. To understand the competitors in SS15, here is the research and analysis part. These are the main competitors in SS15. We went to the shop to take all these photos. We analyzed their strength and learned how they became successful. It's always good to understand and study our competitors. For consumer demands, we must understand what their expectations are for the ice cream shop. Do you guys remember the question I asked in the beginning? Maybe you will see your answer here. Some want to just chit chat with friends, eat ice cream, do work on their laptop, or maybe something as simple as wanting free aircon and Wi-Fi. We did a survey form for people between the age of 16 to 25, who are basically their target customers. We collected a total of 54 responses. The information we get from the survey will help us go further. Based on the survey data, we came out with a strategy plan and solution. Let's see how it goes. With the current situation, we can't do things to boost sales instantly, so a long-term strategy will be applied here. This is the mapping for you guys to see what the plan is. First, we need to come up with a new menu layout and improve the staircase to make it inviting. The layout of the shop and the social media will be the next step. We need to do this step by step to make the whole plan work smoothly. Why don't we look at the sample now? We visualized it for you. The sample display sequence also depicts how the owner implements this strategy step by step. First thing we did is the menu. This is the new menu where it's cleaner and it's easy to navigate around for the customers. Next is the student discount poster. It will be shown next to the counter. Customers will have to follow their Instagram to get 20% discount, so it will also help increase the followers count. As for the loyalty card, which is shown on the right, we discussed with the owner and he said that it can be randomly distributed. For example, it can be given to a student society called Intima, who usually distributes it towards new students attending orientation. This will also help increase exposure in SS15. Here we have a social media part, which is an app called Xiaohongshu. It's a very popular app for people ages between 16 to 27. We will hire people to do shop review account. Posting on this app will help have more exposure on the internet. This is the floor plan interior and staircase we proposed to the owner. Based on the budget problem, we adjust the table type and made some changes. We will place more tables and join them together to create a bigger table to work with. We'll also put a customized table on the cement chair to repurpose the awkwardly high seating. The floor plan is designed to make it suitable for people to work, chill alone, or spend time with friends. Lastly, the owner agreed to put a floor sticker in front of the entrance to intrigue passersby to get their attention towards the shop. As of now, the owner still needs to discuss with his partner, and therefore, unfortunately, we aren't able to print it out now. For the future, we suggested a customizable waffle and to have an annual ice cream cup design contest. The shop can also collaborate with iCAD or make it online to help increase exposure. That's all for today. Grab an ice cream today before it melts.